Really?
Yeah.
Kitty. Come over here. The soloist friend.
Kitty.
Where? He's gonna go higher.
Kitty.
I don't think you should do that.
You? He's trying to get you.
Oh,
Kitty.
that's so cute. Oh,
Kitty.
so Dad doesn't fall actually. Hey, Kitty.
Now how are you gonna get down with the cat?
Come on.
Hey, I know what. Halfway, just let it jump on its feet, Keith.
Oh, what a pretty.
I want it. Mom, can we have it? Oh,
Daddy's a lifesaver.
Sammy can.
No. No. Kitty, no. Daddy's saving it.
Now, how are you going to get down holding it? Oh, I don't know.
Throw it. Yes,
Sounds like a...
Just it'll go down by itself, Keith, if you just let it.
Oh no!
Come on.
You should have seen me.
Yeah. Come on.
Just drop it.
Just drop it.
It'll claw me to death.
No,
No,
not
throw it. If you get,
like
it can land on its feet.
Yeah, it'll
Dad said they always land on their feet.
Kitty.
No, Nick, you just get hurt. Don't.
Come on, Kitty. Come on.
Come on, Kitty.
It's okay.
Come on. We're trying to save
I
you.
know I shouldn't have came down.
Mommy, hold Dad's hand.
Oh my.
Come on, Kitty. We're waiting for you. Oh, come on, Kitty.
Here.
No,
Come here.
Just grab it. Just grab it.
Just pull it.
it's scared.
Nicky, get out of the way in case he has to.
Claws are like Velcro.
Drop the cat.
Come on away.
When you get down a couple steps, just let it go. It'll land on its
Just
feet.
let it go down on its feet.
No. No.
It's gonna end up making you fall.
Watch out, Nicky. Watch out.
Yeah, not that branch.
No, Daddy, no.
Drop it down.
Keith.
Stay there, Kitty. Stay there.
Yeah.
That one don't look too stable, man. That one's gonna break.
Get off of it, Keith.
Quick.
Drop it.
Yeah, just drop it down. Just drop
Right there,
it down.
right there, right there.
Just drop it down.
Drop it.
It'll go. Throw it down. Throw it down. It'll go.
Oh.
Nicky, put it down.
Save the kitty cat.
Watch out, Sammy. Watch out. Good going.
All right. No, Kitty.
Don't. You're allergic to them.
Mom, can I please pet
It's like
it?
being 20 again.
Mommy, why can't I?
Yeah.
Help me, Kitty.